Hey ladies, so I want to show you a few of my new designs that I have available on my Etsy shop. This one's new. Look at the rhinestones. Oh my goodness. Handmade flower. This one is 5 inches across. Okay, so this one here is 4 inches across. These here are 4 inches across. Look at this one. Oh goodness, I love this one. It's my favorite color. Look at that. Ooh, high quality centerpiece. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love it. Love, love, love. Look at that. Such a beautiful white bow. Love, love it. Ooh. Look at this one. Yes. So these right here are new and will be available tonight. So yeah, I have these pearl rhinestone centerpieces available on my Etsy. They are high quality, as you can see. Oh, let's see, right there. See how beautiful those are? And this one, oh my goodness, yes. If you do not want a bow and you want to make your own bow, I sell them 5 yards per roll. So go ahead and check them out on my Etsy shop. I also have this one here. I have this design. Hold on. I have this one here. And this one's a new one. You can request this one too. Oh, let's move that. Flip it. Oh,